Hey guys, welcome to this channel. I hope all of you are doing well and having a great day. Ngi pidang subhai pi baro asyakani ka channel ka jangi but hagani ka video ka bamtas ngi ngin pe yakini ki MCQs leni ki multi choice questions ki balawan wan haki exam kam leni ki exam entrance but kinyarap ha yapi. Subscribe yakani ka channel but turn on your notification bell ru khanang ba phinum do yaki video ki bangi upload. Sa follow lang ru yangi hapo ka Instagram. Kani kadai ka Instagram account ka jangi. Number 1. Which day of the year is considered as World Tsunami Awareness Day? Lani hakasngi iyu jong snam kirakhe ya kani ka World Tsunami Awareness Day. The answer is C. 5th November. Number 2. In Microsoft Excel, where is the conditional formatting option available under? Lani, haka Microsoft Excel hangno pila banlap ya kani ka conditional formatting option. The answer is B. Home. Number 3. Where is the headquarters of Education and Research Network? Lani, hangno kadon ka headquarters jangka Education and Research Network. The answer is B. New Delhi. Number 4. The United Nations was established on 24th October of the year dash. Lani, kiseng ya ka United Nations haka apsaw tarik October jangka 6 ayu. The answer is D. 1945. Number 5. What is the capital of Jordan? Lani, kay ka capital jangkari Jordan. The answer is A. Amman. Number 6. National Civil Services Day is observed on Lani, hakasngi yu kirakhe yakani ka National Civil Services Day. The answer is D. 21st April. Number 7. Who is recently appointed as the Revenue Secretary under the Ministry of Finance? Lani mano badai u Revenue Secretary hapo ka Ministry of Finance menta. The answer is B. Tarun Bajaj. Number 8. What is the abbreviation of BPO? Lani kay ka full form jangka BPO. The answer is B. Business Process Outsourcing. Number 9. The difference between the export and import of services is known as Lani ka jingpynkhreh hapareng ka export ba ka import jangki services kishikot EU. The answer is A. Balance of trade. Number 10. Which film got the Oscar Award 2021 in the Best Picture category? Lani ka film EU kabayo ya ka Oscar Award mentaw snam arhajar arphuway haka Best Picture category. The answer is D. Nomadland.